Today I'll be giving a quick walkthrough of the registration user interface 1.0 beta. The first thing you'll want to do is put in your first and last name, and then choose the organ that you'll be extracting or registering your tissue into. There are 4 organs available right now: colon, heart, kidney, and spleen. Depending on the organ that you choose, you will be able to choose the left or right kidney, for instance, and whether it was male or female. Let's go with the spleen, the male spleen. And then the next thing you can do is you can move that tissue cube into the reference organ. You can change the angles just to verify where things are at, to get them placed well. And then when you want to look at that in 3D, you can click the 3D preview button to see how it falls out. If you're really not satisfied, you can always click the reset button here, and then that resets it back to defaults. So let's place it right here, and then we can adjust the width and height and size of the tissue block. You can put the tissue slice thickness. This is purely metadata at this point. And then you can start to adjust, rotate the cube to fit how you extracted the tissue in the first place. If you come from a consortium that uses extraction sites, they'll be available here. And these are used as guidelines to help place tissues in common extraction areas. You can then also adjust anatomical structures, or turn them off even, and then you can adjust transparency. So and for the beta, the transparency effect is really not optimal, but in the next release we'll have this a little bit cleaned up. On the other side, you'll see this anatomical structures tags, and what this does is, as you move the tissue through the organ, any anatomical structure it collides with shows up automatically in this list. And so those are automatic tags that then is applied to that data, but you can also add more if you like by using the autocomplete. That list is pulled from the list over here of the anatomical structures. So you can then add those, and they'll show up as purple, and then regardless of whether it's actually touching, it will be tagged because you know your data better. On the top right, there is some help text and about information that you can use. And so now, once we're happy with our results, we can now click review and download. This gives a information display. Then you can click download registration data to save the registration data to your local file system. If you're using the HuBMAP ingestion portal, this will be available, and you can download it. It will send it automatically to the infrastructure at HuBMAP. So this is a RUI 1.0 beta. Enjoy.